This is a true story of a select Indian community who, even after 6 decades of India having broken free from the shackles of the British Raj, continue with the daunting task of manual scavenging and suffer an undignified existence. This is what one of them from the group who has been manually handling night soil has to say.
मेरा नाम सूरती बाई है। मेरा उम्र 40 है। मैं 20 साल से संडास साफ कर रही हूँ। मैं एक दिन में 10 संडास हाथ से साफ करती हूँ और नज़दीक के कोई ड्रेनेज में डालती हूँ। एक महीने का 1000 रुपया मिलता है। हम 3 पीढ़ी से यही काम कर रहे हैं।
About a decade ago, a group of like-minded professionals came together under the name of Camp Avida with the single-minded objective of defying this tradition. India, in the last 2 decades, has seen a major change in the form of industrialization, resulting in a decennial urbanization growth rate of over 32%. This explosion has made it mandatory for the civic authorities to carry out extensive maintenance programs to ensure maximum utilization of the existing civic infrastructure, which includes the sewerage system. Until recently, this daunting task of sewer maintenance continued to be carried out in the traditional way, using unskilled labor. Recognizing the danger of continuing with this method, the Government of India passed a bill in the Lok Sabha on the 5th of June 1993, banning the dehumanizing practice of manual scavenging. With increasing level of awareness and the required legislation in place, we sincerely hope the coming generation would see the Indian drain cleaning specialists among the likes of any other maintenance professional. This conviction has indeed taken us a long way and has in turn enabled us create a product range wide enough to handle applications from a 2-inch indoor line to a 48-inch outdoor trunk sewer, presenting a range of trolley, trailer, LCV and HGV mounted sewer cleaning equipment that have been designed and developed as per international safety and performance standards, yet tropicalized, keeping in mind the hostile Indian conditions and of course the semi-skilled local operator. Presenting first the sewerman's favorite, the fully self-contained, trolley-mounted, generator-powered, cabling-cum-rodding machine, model the cam bore. The cam bore instantly spins the cam rod, generating enough torque to clear any form of blockages in the sewer lines ranging from 4-inch to 24-inch dia, even if they are silted. Presenting the primary model of CamVac series of vacuum loaders, the CamVac 3LT, a trailer-mounted vacuum loader, the CamVac 3LC, HGV-mounted CamVac 7LC. Though just a functional model, it has all the necessary safety features in terms of the filters in the vacuum circuitry and the necessary relief valves to handle both positive and negative excess pressure. Presenting model CamVac 6 LCHB, incorporating features such as complete hydraulic control, pneumatic actuation, a powerful vacuum plant, a 300-degree rotational boom arm, and a loop system control, making it a most sought-after machine by many leading municipal corporations nationwide. Finally presenting the Camby 7.5 LCHB, a combination unit capable of both high-powered suction and high-pressure water jetting, ideal for carrying out a variety of sewer cleaning applications. Fitted to the free end of the hose is a specially designed sewer cleaning nozzle to provide the required forward thrust to propel the sewer cleaning hose forward during the jetting operation as presented in the live demonstration. A sewer cleaning nozzle has a lot to do with the quality and speed of cleaning. Care must be taken to ensure right nozzle selection for the right application. The possibility of carrying out dual operations of both suction and jetting by the Cambi makes it perhaps a must wherever underground sewerage systems are in operation.